ABB ClimaECO combines all our HVAC automation solutions in the ABB iBus KNX into one holistic solution portfolio. But what exactly does holistic mean? Well, when it comes to the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning of your building, so-called HVAC, you often have to work with multiple systems, which again come with diverse interfaces. ClimaECO brings it all together in the standardized KNX platform, so that from generation to distribution and consumption, everything can be handled in one system. This doesn't only simplify the planning of your HVAC structures, but also makes operating the building in use more efficient. The solution saves time and reduces costs. Since it's based on KNX, with an embedded BACnet interface, you can easily adjust the system to all your local requirements, which makes ABB ClimaECO a clever and sustainable investment.